I'm safe. Okay.
So let me swim to the place.
What kind of system of swimming is this?
This is butterfly. This is backstroke.
Okay, backstroke system of swimming.
The purpose of my coming is to get this thing documented for our children here to be born, because we've never seen this type of flood since the history of this town. Although
but I learned from others in an interview that 68, 69 was flooded more than this.
No. That's wrong. At least I was already grown up at 68, 69, so I was a witness. Parents to Asaba,
yes.
You know, he has not taken over the job of his parents.
Yes.
You can see their premature cassava.
Go to their house and see for yourself.
So let me take you to Ozon's house. You can see the whole village is inundated. No remedy. Have a look. Water will take over the entrance porch. Although it is well protected from outside, but there is water inside. But no fish inside it too. You can see the level of protection we've given the equipment inside the store. All attempts to prevent the water from entering, it will not avail. Now this is my boys' quarters. All my personal aides living here, they've all gone to the village because there's no way. You can see their property inside the room, everywhere covered with water. See their generator is about to be covered. You can see the engine room. The engine room is already threatened and it has been switched off. Look at their security post. Their security men can no longer be
No, what do Onyami? Just a buy the corner to Slada. What I say inside the Kanye. I look people I ever January. Since 3 days or 4 days ago. I look people I now. So I will go there and be too early. Come on, morning, if you not up to one more neighbor, I know.
No.
So no more.
Did I find?
Come over this.
No.
Did that one now? All the occupants are gone. You can see if it continues like this in the next 1 week, water will start entering through the window. 2 feet above the former highest level of flood. But now all is in vain. So I have to go back to the drawing board to start again. You need to open the door because all the occupants are gone. These are the kitchens. They are all gone. Look at the level of water in the bedroom. And look at the level of water inside their rooms. We have power up here to avoid problem of electric shock. swim?
I'm safe, bro.
So let me swim to the place.
Odogo, what kind of system of swimming is this?
This is butterfly. No, this is backstroke. There's nowhere to go to, so they have to live with it. It's a question of time. This is what we call leash. They have removed their air conditioner because to avoid electric shock. Whatever is the situation, the light still goes on. You can see they are still enjoying their DSTV. The flood is not strange. That's with exception. You can see how they protect their property. And it will remain like this until the end of the flood.
Odogo, why do you think that this flood is going to be ended?
Conservative estimates 3 to 4 weeks.
3 to 4 weeks. Good afternoon, ma. Never enough to have a vehicle.
Ana be mo no mo da ike.
Mo da ike ni be ike no. Etu mili swe bata ni be yi.
Ai no kata ba ya su nwanne nya. Mili su na egwu bata na no. Na egwu na ulo ofigu. Ai na emezi mgbali. Ebu na nyafa ka akpọpụrụ ụmụaka.
Ebe milasi.
Onye milo.
Ife anyị fụrụ ifu gị ya mbụ.
Mba afụbara nke a izi.
Ka izi.
Ka izi afụrụ ife dị etu.
Ọ pụtara nnọọ arụ ọbụla mmiri adị elu.
Mmiri adị elu odi ogige ife a.
Oke mmiri na-elu. Ọzọ dị elu ike.
Ọ dị elu n'ime ogbe.
Ngwa n'uche ike ife fil nnọọ dat ya nwa ka ọzụrụ olulu a o ji wee dị iche n'arụ a.
Ife mma asị uche m n'ime ya ọ nọ ndị oyibo bụ ya mmiri nke a. Amasị na nwa ndị oyibo bunye mmiri maka mmiri adị elu ụdị a mbụ. Since ịnụcha agha ụdị mmiri dị etu elu n'obodo anyị. Ebe ahụ na mmiri gbara agha 1960 olugbo ụdị a.
Kedu enyemaka ị chọrọ ka ndị local gọọmenti or steeti gọọmenti and federal gọọmenti bịa nyere ụnụ aka?
Ọ gbatara m ọsọ enyemaka na ma ahụkwara ma nwa onye nọ ife ahụ. Okwu m nakwa na-achọ ntabi efu. Okwu m na-achọ ntabi efu. Abụrụ enyemaka ọ gbatara nwa gbatara m nọ. Ife mere idozichi ibe m na-ada ada. Ọ nọ na-adasị ada. Ibu anyị niile mebisigo.
Ngwa na ebe a mmiri buru ebe niile, o nwere ebe m fụrụ naanị ebe. Eturu sizi nri.
Isi nri nke wogbu. N'elu tebụl ka eze gara ka anyị na-alazi. Gara ka aga gbere mmiri anyị ala agarị. Anyị na-esi ife ọ na-akpọli mmiri ọkụ. Agbere mmiri afọ anyị wele gara la. Ugbu ọ na-akọ ọkụ ọnụ chi ewe kwụkwọ.
Kedu ka fani kele yi?
Na-echere nwa.
Na-echere nwa. Daalụ. Ọ ndidi kunu ga-enwe. Daalụ.
So you can see the intensity of the current. So there is no way to block the water from coming. As far as the river Niger is overflow, it will continue like this until it goes down. You can see the current is coming from both front and back, so there's no remedy. If you block the back, the front continues. There's no way to block it. You can see how many levels of block? 2.5 levels. On short, precisely two levels of block, water will start entering through the window. We don't pray that this continues, but if it continues for the next 2 weeks, they have to evacuate the house whether they like it or not.
What are these little children doing?
They're enjoying themselves. They've never seen this type of thing since they were born. They enjoy. Are you not enjoying yourself? Yes, they enjoy themselves. They've never seen such since they were born.